Shwmai, croeso, mawr. Welcome. It's been nippy today, bach yn oer. Oh, so dwi'n mynd I orfod cau y ffenest. A tu ôl I fi, mae rhywbeth newydd syrthio sef cefn y sedd yma. Mwyn cadw cefn fy nghefn, my back, fy nghefn, yn syth ac yn ystwyth ac yn gyfforddus. Straight, flexible, comfortable. Happy? We've got some Thomas Dolby to listen to. This is the album. It's Thomas Dolby, Astronauts and Heretics. It's on a tape cassette. This is tracks. Record the tracks. Record the tape tracks. July, Gorffennaf. By the end of this month, the summer will have ended. Maybe other things will have too. Tell us, Tom, do you love us? Are you staying or are you going? Is it a good song? Is it a good song? It's a good song. Is it the archetypal synth pop guru song? No. Is it 1992 Gone to Live in America, make it big and orchestrate with all kinds of people and sounds? Yes. Gadewch I ni wrando. Let us listen and enjoy Thomas Dolby impersonate Hornsby, Bruce. Even on the 50-year-old microphone grundig tape machine, some of the sonic resonance here, one of my favourite words, comes through. Some of it still comes through on this machinery. Mae rhaid fi stopio siarad fel Partridge. Mae rhaid fi stopio siarad fel Partridge. And Sam Matterface. What's the score? What's the score, Sam? Or is it the BBC? It's the BBC on. So we got Belgium 0, France 0. Join us after more. Bruce Hornsby singing with Thomas Dolby. With Bruce isn't on it actually. Let's see who is on it after we've heard him sing.
Now we never normally go bowling on a Friday morning in New Orleans, but I like to come here to remember the kind of places you took me. Like the time we stole a Datsun and drove all night to the Everglades.
Boys bach, some of the metallic, 50-year-old metallic covering has fallen off from the ground. Here it is, just to show you that I'm not making it up. There it is on my black background t-shirt. There it is. It's fallen off. It's quite dramatic, this. I don't know what FIFA are going to do regarding this, but it's pretty drastic stuff, because it's never happened before and I can't recall it. Can you recall anything like this? The actual covering of the button, the pause button, has fallen off. It's quite amazing. Now, what's the reason for that then? It's 50 years old. Maybe the adhesiveness of, if that's a word, The adhesive nature of the covering has kind of been eroded. So I thought Tom, roeddwn i'n meddwl bod Thomas fyna yn y gitgan ychydig yn ddiog. I thought this initial first verse is a trifle lazy.
Until we crashed it in a big electric storm. Stood there listening to fire rain.
But it's just got more interesting with those two lines there. The fact that he's referring to an electric storm, not the U2 one, but it does conjure up certain imagery and adds to the suspenseful drama. That's impressive. What a guitar synth that is.
The county sheriff had a hair Louisiana's pride and joy.
Is that a banjo?
He said politely as he cuffed me, I never busted.
Here we see what good production values and technology add to the vibe of a song. It's nothing too complex, but it's just so tasteful in its sonic caressing. It's caressing, but it's also tickling. You see what I mean? You see what I've done there, don't you? It's caressing me, but it's also tickling me with all those little clinky, tinky, winky bits. Let's go.
English boy, though I won't accept a contribution to the old producer's charity ball. But you better drive this dirty Datsun to the Gulf of Mexico. Under a Cajun moon, I lay me open. There is a spirit here that won't be broken.
If you were 15 or 16, would you go to a soft play, end of term adventure, pretending that you're 6? I think that's got promise. It's like this song. This is a repetitive refrain, but it's playing games with us, isn't it? It's not making us assume any way of adventuring further than that repeated melody. But what it's doing is, I'm repeating myself now, I know. I'm being tickled, yes. I'm being caressed, yes. Lyrically, it's filling my brain with imagery. And the sounds are... France have just missed a sitter from the captain, but the graphic of my video has covered the identity of the captain. Who is the captain? I don't know.
Some words are sad to say, some leave me tongue-tied. But the hardest thing to tell you, the hardest words I know, I love you, goodbye. I love you, goodbye.
That's just the way it is. Some things will never change. That's just the way it is. Some things will never change. Now, whereas that song by Bruce was it grabbed you and you loved it. And you loved his piano virtuosity right at the end, an extended solo. This one is a slow burner, and its subtleties are its strength. The violin makes me want to... Initially, I said, I'm not going to like this. But by the end of the song, I'm sure I'll end up singing it and loving it. Now that, surely, I'm sure Bruce phoned him and said, excuse me, Tom, that's mine. That's mine. That is mine. Let's have a look at the lyrics. I love you, goodbye. I would never normally go bowling on a Friday morning in New Orleans, but I like to come here to remember the kind of places you took me. That's nice. Like a time we stole a Datsun and drove all night to the Everglades until we crashed it in a big electric storm and stood there listening to the bayou rain. That's an amazing lyric, isn't it? It's one big sentence which it just... You can envisage it. You can envisage. It's marvellous. There are two people walking up the street. They're both dressed in black. One has been to a gym, one has been to a education facility. Okay. The county sheriff had a hare lip, Louisiana's pride and joy, and he said politely, as he cuffed me, I never busted an English boy. Now I will accept a contribution to the Opelousas charity ball, but you better drive this dirty Datsun into the Gulf of Mexico. Under a Cajun moon I lay me open. There's a spirit here that won't be broken. Some words are sad to sing, some leave me tongue-tied, but the hardest thing to tell you, but the hardest words I know are, I love you, goodbye, I love you, goodbye. Boys Bach, this song now has gone up a few levels, hasn't it? I mean, Boys Bach, heartache, what can you do with heartache? This song, with the lyrics now read, or half of the lyrics read aloud, meditated upon, they tug at your real life, unrequited. Unrequited? Is it? Is that the word? Unrequited love? Or is it? I'm not sure. I can't remember. But certainly it does the job. Unrequited love. Right. Cariad heb ateb. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. Excuse me for a minute. Whilst we'll play the rest of the song, I'm going to get my dictionary. I was just going to say this violin thing gets a little bit one-dimensional, and then that little gorgeous Moog synth comes in, which just puts me in my place and says, Bobsy, you're wrong. Unrequited in Welsh is Diwobrwy, heb ei dal yn ôl, without paying back. So you've got the ending, the possible highlight of the vocal performance. I do admit the violins get a bit monotonous towards the end, but that's being me being very critical. And on superior sonic playback, maybe the whole thing would blow my brains out, really. But we're listening to a cassette and a very monocentric playback. So, are we... there's all kinds of chaos going on outside. There's neighbours talking to each other and driving away and walking away with hands in pockets. Muscular frames, children being picked up from next doors by mothers, and away they go. That's the frivolity all over the place. So, and there's a gentleman now walking up. This is rather bonkers. It's all bonkers stuff. There's a gentleman who reminds me of me. He'd be, well, when I'm, well, in say 12 years' time, that could be me. No, I don't think I'll be that big. I don't think I'll be alive, actually. Something tells me I'm going to kick the bucket within 10 years, I reckon, possibly. So, here we go. Unrequited, that's Thomas Dolby. Let's read the rest of the... Now, he's the one who's leaving here, isn't he? So he's going, Typhoon Pia delayed my plane till morning. Jusqu'au matin. Let the bon temps rouler from your accordion, l'accordion. Under a Cajun moon I lay open. Spirit partout? There is a spirit here that won't be broken. Simple words are sad to sing. Some words are sad to sing. They leave me tongue-tied. Some leave you tongue-tied. But the hardest thing to tell you, my friend, but the hardest words I know is I love you goodbye. I love you goodbye. Je t'aime. Au revoir. I love you goodbye. Je t'aime. Toujours. I love you goodbye. Playing this, the Cajun accordion was Wayne Toups. Cajun fiddle, Michael Doucet. Cajun banjo, Al Tharp. Bass, Terry Jackson. Guitar, Larry Treadwell. Vocals, piano, keyboards, Thomas Dolby. Backing vocals, Wayne Troupe, Michael Doucet, Al Tharp, Suzanne Malin, Cynthia Molière, and Teresita Alconder. Cajun. I need to know more about Cajun. I need to know a lot more about everything. Who can help me? Can Thomas Dolby help me? I'm not sure. I think he's left a lot of messages in his songs over the years. Did I have the eyes to see? Did I? Did I have the eyes and ears to listen? I think possibly I did, which has led me in 2024, the 7th month, the first day of the 7th month, to a praise, a fine song which I give out of 100. I give this song 74%. It's a fine song. It's a fine song. It hasn't got everything. There are a few things which are a trifle repetitive, but certainly it does resonate well. If I use that word resonate again, you're welcome to turn me off. Diolch yn fawr am wrando. Diolch am gyfieithu. Cariad Diwobrwy.